Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Moonpay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to go to the Moonpay exchange, you need just to open your browser and just type moonpay.com. So basically as a moon plus pay, so here.com, and then you will need just to click enter, and now you can access to your Moonpay. So from here, you will need just to sign up or log in to your accounts. So I'm just going to sign up and I'm just going to use my Google account to sign in up, etc. So it can be easy to signing up without any verifications and that stuff. So from here now that we have our account, you can start buying and selling your crypto. So to trade, this is our dashboard or home menu. If you want to buy crypto, you click just to buy. Now this is our gateway, and basically it's just not available on some countries, and basically you will have only your trade or your gateway that will open. You will choose the amount of coins or tokens that you want, and also will be the same for swap. And if you want to have many or more information about how to use Moonpay, you can just go, for example, to here in the support. You can see how they are using, like swapping crypto, sell crypto, and buy crypto. So as you can see, those are the coins available, and this is the gateway. As I said, you will have only the amount, the token that you want, the amount, and then you just continue to your payment gateway, etc. So the same goes for swapping. You will need just to swap, to choose from your wallets, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can use Moonpay. Thank you for watching and see you next time.